Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing news from the world of quantum computing. Imagine a quantum chip so advanced it could revolutionize technology by 2027. Sounds exciting? Let's break it down! Meet the new quantum chip from Oxford Ionics. It's making waves because it's possibly the best performing chip we've seen so far. Why? Because it's ditching the old school lasers for something way cooler. An integrated circuit that can be made in regular semiconductor factories. Yep, you heard that right. Now, quantum computing might sound like sci-fi, but it's very real. Usually, quantum computers use trapped ions, where each ion is controlled by lasers. It's precise but super expensive and complex. Imagine trying to scale that up for the whole world. Not easy. But here's the game changer. Oxford Ionics' new chip uses a special electronic qubit control system. All the tech to manage qubits is built right into the chip. It's like switching from a clunky old phone to a sleek new smartphone. This makes it cheaper and easier to produce. And the results? They're phenomenal. This chip delivered double the performance of the previous record holders while using 10 times fewer qubits. That's like having a supercharged engine that's also super efficient. What we've achieved here is groundbreaking. It's not just about more qubits, it's about getting them to work perfectly. We're now on the brink of turning this technology into something truly impactful for the future. This chip isn't just a win for tech enthusiasts. It's paving the way for real-world applications, from advanced healthcare to ultra-secure communication. Imagine having quantum computers solving problems we haven't even dreamed of yet. Oxford Ionics is now teaming up with the UK's National Quantum Computing Centre to take this technology even further. It's like having the dream team working on making quantum computing a reality. So what does this mean for us? We're on the edge of a tech revolution thanks to innovations like this one. The future of computing is looking brighter and more exciting than ever. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of quantum computing, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and ring the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and stay curious.